I have started recording. Hello, sir. How have you been so far today?
I'm fantastic. I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking. After a long time today, I'm joining you, Israil.
Hmm.
So really, I welcome you in this wonderful session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. So tell me, sir, about yourself. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic, sir. Thank you for asking. And what about you, sir?
Great.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Amazing, amazing. Everything is going fantastic. The weather is very good,
Hmm.
and you can say that it is not that much good, but however, it is good. So tell me about your side and how is the weather and are you facing the summer too much hot? Otherwise, what is this?
Yeah, if I say about weather my side, it is scorching hot. Okay.
Scorching hot and
Hmm.
the training. Yeah, I think you do the pigeon training. So pigeon training, it is going on. Otherwise, what is it? Work is going on or
Now,
not?
nowadays, pigeon training is not going on because the summer season going on. So actually, pigeon are trained only in winter season. Pigeon are not trained in summer season because it is very difficult. If I train the pigeon, then pigeon could die just because hot. So that is why I was denied to train the pigeon in summer season. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. I think in this season, I think the temperature is very high. And because of this, the pigeon they can't fly and just they can't take the training. That's why they feel very bad. And so your work it is going on. And what do you do this time there?
Yeah. Actually, I have pigeon. I just told you, and all pigeon are in the cages. So I have to take care of them. I give them water, grain. When they get ill, then I have to mix medicine, into the water so that they feel better. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. I'm also enjoying my life. Okay, there is no doubt, sir. Okay. And thank you so much for coming on my channel. I'm so happy because whenever I text you a message, you always for free for me. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so are you teaching nowadays? Do you have a student or not?
Of course, India English Bolega Abhiyan is a dream to transform India. And I always teach, whether free of cost I teach, otherwise paid students are there. In the YouTube channel I teach. Whenever I get opportunity, I teach. It is my profession. I love to teach, and really the people they enjoy a lot. So I
Teaching.
enjoy a lot. I think life is going very smooth. Everything is going fantastic, and really I appreciate you that still you are trying to improve your English and you are just doing the practice. And I love to talk to the people in the video call, audio call. So whenever you talk, really you get the experience, good experience, bad experience, and it is good for improving your confidence.
Really, sir. Actually, I have been enthusiastic learner. Okay, I am optimistic person, sir. Okay, I know that if I practice, definitely I can improve, and there is no doubt. See, when I was a beginner, okay, I was not able to speak a single word. But nowadays, I'm not facing any kind of problem while speaking. I'm not making mistakes. Okay, so it is my result, and I am getting result. Okay, I had phobia of speaking English, making mistakes, but I improved a lot. Hmm. So I have also some students like you, okay, and I have also started teaching. So just because of students, also I am improving. I'm learning something, okay, and enjoying into this language, sir.
So I think you said I have a student like you. It's mean that you teach English speaking
Yeah, I teach. I
online.
have become, yeah, online, not offline, online. I have become English and English spoken English trainer, sir. I have become English spoken trainer
So I think where did you get the students?
from my channel.
Your YouTube channel.
Hmm.
Okay, wow, wow. Really, it is amazing progress. I think
Yeah.
you are just making the videos, you are helping the people, and you are getting the students from your
Mm-hmm.
channel. So definitely, it
Actually,
is
I
a
mentioned my
great
number.
progress. Hmm.
Actually, I
So
mentioned my number.
how many students you got? I think from your channel.
I have only now original five students. Okay, so I teach them.
Five. Oh, five students you have.
Yeah, I have five students, and I'm so
Oh
glad
my God.
because initially I was not a teacher, but now can say I'm a teacher. I'm a YouTuber. I feel glad, sir.
Really, really,
I
it
feel
is
I'm
very
good.
respectable job. Very
I
respectable job. Mm.
I hadn't thought that one day I would become a teacher, English teacher, because it was very tough for me, you know. But if you do something, definitely you will get better opportunities in the future. Mm. So start without any fear. Definitely you can get anything in the future. And your future will decide that what you will do in your life and what you are. Mm. You must have also faced lots of problem when you were beginner. Am I right? So now you are a teacher. You become a teacher. You have a student, and you have been teaching. I think more than 3 and 4 years. Am I right?
You are right.
And
Actually, I have passed more than 5 years. More than 5 years. Earlier, I was teaching offline. Earlier, I was teaching offline, but I left teaching offline, and nowadays only I teach online because I love to teach online, and really it is very easy. You have not to go anywhere. Just you have to sit on the chair at your office, and you can teach very well.
yeah, that's it. That's it. So what is the difference in online teaching and offline teaching? What is different, or what do you want to say?
Offline teaching, if you do that, so you have to go to your office, institute, otherwise at anyone's house in this scorching sun. Yeah, and in offline teaching, they pay you month, after the month when you complete
Mm,
the month then. But
mm,
online teaching, only demo class, and after that you have to pay. Online, first
mm,
you have to pay, and after that just you can attend the class. So I think
mm,
online teaching is better than offline because online teaching that many students they can join from different areas of
mm,
the state or country, otherwise world. So you get the variety of students, and if you get the variety of students, you feel I think fantastic.
definitely, I'm totally agree with you, sir. Because initially online teaching was not being taught, right? Online, no. So students were facing lots of problems, but nowadays students, are not facing any kind of problem because I'm in Kuwait when I was beginner. Also, I had to take class. Okay, uh, and I learned something. And just because of online class, I became a teacher, and I'm able to speak. Initially, I was not able to speak. Okay, so I got lots of chance. Okay, and I was, and still I am. I have been taking advantage of online class. Am I right? Now that we are talking online, you are in Jharkhand and I am in Kuwait, but we are, you know, uh, taking of advantage of each other. Right? We are learning something from each other. Am I right? So really, I can say online is good than offline because online, if you take online class, then you can save time. First of all, you no need to go anywhere, right? And you will be taught very well, face to face, video call, like like baby. You have to say like this. You have to say like this, right? And you can focus, and your focus is on a student, in front of a student. Yeah, we have to say like this. We have to say like this, right? But offline, you get very less money, even though you feel very bored. After that, we have to say again and again, where is my fee? Why don't you bring my fee? After that, you will be told that, oh, sir, my father is not here. My father. has sent me money. My father is Mumbai and Delhi. That definitely they will try to accuse you. Am I right? Hmm. So we are taking advantage of offline teaching. So both are enjoying, and I think we will be enjoying. Am I right?
You are right,
Okay.
sir. I think I would like to say you are right. So I have chosen online because really I feel comfortable with this. And in this scorching sun, just you have to live at your house. Just whenever you, if you have time, then teach. Otherwise, don't have time. Tell the
Hmm.
students I am not available. So I think
Right.
it is
Right.
very easy. It is very easy providing all the materials and videos.
Hmm.
Everything nowadays online teaching it is a piece of cake. So and
Right. Right.
really you have joined this community and I can relate you that time when you were taking the class in Hybro application and
Oh my
once
God.
upon a yes. Really that time you were
Okay.
very serious. You were very serious and that time it was your learning phase and I was teaching you and once upon a time you joined my group classes also but unfortunately you did not complete the
Hmm.
full month
Month.
class
Huh.
but
Hmm.
however, I think your English is fantastic and you learned, I think you learned it very well.
Hmm. Just because of hard work, sir. Okay. Till I burnt midnight oil. Okay. I am very religion person, and I have put my heart and soul into this language. And I'm not going to live in this language because this language, gave me lots of appreciation. And I am appreciated by the people that your English is so good. The way you are speaking, I am able to understand each and everything. Really, I'm so glad that I'm sorry. I feel glad. Okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
Salman ji and Israel ji. So really, I feel fantastic whenever I talk to you. So because India English Bolega Abhiyan, there is a dream to transform India. And suppose because of me, any one student, if he learns English, he speaks English, and just he teaches other students, then this Abhiyan, this campaign is going to become true campaign. Because starting
Yeah.
any campaign, it is very easy. Starting
Mm,
any campaign, you start any campaign, any abhiyan, any channel, any work. That is very easy, but taking it in the next level, and because of it, when the students they get the benefit, that is little bit difficult.
it happens. When you don't have student, at that time you face difficulty, right? But if you don't live studying in online teaching, if you don't live teaching online, definitely you will have one day lots of students, hmm. and definitely and you will enjoy. Okay, so try to do that. Don't live. Okay, hmm. We face sometimes difficulties. Actually, I'm not visible, right? Right now it's okay. I am saying if you are continue, and if you are continuing to teaching online, definitely one day we'll have lots of students and you will enjoy. Hmm. Right now actually you are enjoying. Hmm. Right.
Actually, I tell you, Israelji, most of the time we think that happiness will be tomorrow after getting something. We will be successful after getting something. But I tell you, success is on the way. I tell you
Right.
which day, I tell you today, if you don't have a lot of students, suppose you don't have thousands of students. Today you are
Hmm.
thinking if I will have thousands of students, I will be very happy. But
Hmm.
I tell you which day you will get thousands of students, that day your mind will be upset how to maintain them, how to teach them, how to provide them
Right.
quality education.
Hmm.
So I
I'm
tell
totally.
you, if you have single student, you teach
Hmm.
him or her nicely, give your 100% and live in the present every
Hmm.
day. Live in the present. Tomorrow and yesterday, these are illusions. I have learnt in my life. Both tomorrow and yesterday, both are illusion. Live in the present, whatever the God has given you.
Hmm.
Amazing. Be grateful. Always say thanks and enjoy your life.
Mm-hmm.
If you are alive, this is the biggest happiness in your life. If you are alive. After
Yeah.
that, name, fame, money, these are only uh,
Mm.
temporary. I tell you,
Right.
suppose today you are the Prime Minister of India, tomorrow you will be the ex Prime Minister of India.
Right.
So, name, fame, money, these are temporary. If you are alive, this world is for you. Enjoy the life, live the life, give value to the people, and whatever the vision you have, whatever you want to do, pay for that time, money, energy, and just enjoy the life.
Right, sir. And everything is, I think everything is not permanent. Right. Suppose now you have money, tomorrow you will spend money. Today they will leave you, the money will leave you. Right. So there is a one phrase I want to use here. Everything is a smoke and mirror. Everything is a smoke and mirror. Right. But we have to enjoy our life. Okay. And no matter if you have lots of money today, okay, if you sorry if you don't have money today and you are saying that when I have lots of money there I will enjoy. Okay. It is not happiness. Right. So whatever you have in your present right now, you try to feel happy. Okay, and happiness inside. Happiness, happiness is inside. Okay, try to be happy always. Don't try to be sad because suppose whatever you have, but try to be happy. Don't say I have this thing, that thing, and don't compare with other person. It is also effect on you. You know, suppose you are a teacher, you don't have lots of students, and you are saying, oh, your friend is teacher, and you are saying that my friend has a lot of teachers. But if you compare, then you feel sad at that time. Oh my God, he has lots of students, but I don't have lots of students. He's earning better than me, but I'm not earning money. So don't try to compare. Okay, say to God, just give me a student, definitely. Okay, and God is feeding you. The people are not feeding you. Am I right? Hmm, okay, right. So we have to
Really, you are
control
right, sir.
our emotion. Yes, sir. Please. Are you saying something?
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So
Are you
yes,
saying
yes,
something?
I am. Yes, yes, yes. I'm telling you that comparison can kill your happiness. Yeah, and most of the time we compare our first chapter with anyone's fifth chapter. His journey is different. My journey is different. His personality is different. My personality is different because in this world everybody is unique. So never
Right.
compare. You get the inspiration. You get the inspiration. He's doing well. Of course, I can also do well. But the comparison, that is totally wrong. 100% wrong.
Mhm. And I think it
So
it has been going on, it has been going on since a very long time. Okay, so we should not forget being a human being. It happens, but we have to remove. We have to not keep inside our mind. Because when you think, okay, when you keep in your mind, then at them definitely your mind get distracted. Hmm. So no need to think about other person. Hmm. What
really,
they
really,
have,
really. So
whatever
so
you have, you will try to be happy.
thank you, Israel ji, and really I appreciate you, sir, for your valuable time today. You invited me here. So you must send me the link of download link of this video. So just a small clips I will also upload in my YouTube channel, and I can
Why
download.
didn't
So
I send you? Didn't I send you earlier?
okay, you must send me.
Yeah,
Okay,
didn't I send you? I,
of
huh?
course, of course, of course, of course. Why not? Why not? Why not? So
Don't worry.
thank you, sir.
I will send.
Uh,
Thank you so much, sir.
so
Thank
thank
you,
you,
sir. Thank
thank you, thank you, thank you.
thank you, sir, for giving me your valuable time, sir. Okay.
Welcome.